Welcome to Finest Shops. In this quick video, I will show you how to make the changes to the page using Advanced Editor. Working with the online store editor is as easy as working with your favorite text editor, no coding is required. Simply log in as store's administrator and go to the page you want to change. On the home page, click Edit Page in the top admin menu. This page was built with Elementor editor to give you advanced options, and we will modify it with the same editor. Click on Edit with Elementor button. The home page will load with the Page Editor panel on the left. Each page is divided into the sections. Every section can have one or more columns inside. Every column can hold different elements. This is done to control how responsive design will automatically rearrange those elements on the mobile devices with different screen sizes. Clicking on every text or image will open that element control panel on the left where you can change the content and style. For example, let's align the registration button to the right. If you hover over that button, you will see the outline of that element's container. Click the edit icon will open the properties of that element. Change alignment to center. Let's change the main banner image. Click on Edit icon to open that element properties. Click on the image shown on the left and select a new one from the media library or upload from your computer. Now, let's add a new section with 2 columns and a banner. Hover over a section where you want to add a new one and click plus icon. Click a large plus icon to choose the new section structure. Select 2 columns. Clicking inside the left column will open the Elements selection panel on the left. Choose Image and drag it to the left column. Clicking on the Choose Image section on the left will allow you to select an image from your computer or from your store's media library. Now, click Dots Matrix icon in the top left corner of the editor panel and drag heading element to the right column. Type your title, "Why Buy From Us?" Click Dots Matrix icon in the top left corner of the editor again and drag text editor element to the right column to the location under the title. In the element content section, type your text. Now, click green Update button in the left bottom corner to save the changes. Click Hamburger menu in the top left corner and select View Page.